Hello mga ka-cheers! Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome to another episode of Hashtag Question and Answer with Ancher Kuwa. Actually, we have another interesting question na pwede kong i-share sa inyo dahil I'm very sure magiging curious din ng ating mga future clients, those who will be holding their occasions or events. So, ano kaya ang question na tinutukoy natin? Bakit po ba kailangan ang event host? Well, to answer that question, there are 3 reasons why you should hire an event host. The first one is the most basic. Syempre, ayaw mong magulo ang parts ng program mo. Kaya naman, we are here to have control sa ating programa. Take control of everything that happens and to manage the flow din naman. At syempre, especially kapag sa mga weddings, sa mga birthdays, and of course sa mga public entertainment events that we'll be needing scripts. You have to do a run-through, master the script or master every part dahil you really want to make sure na magiging maayos ang daloy ng iyong programa and at the same time not to miss out on some of the remarkable moments and the most celebrated ones din in every part of the occasion. Alright, pangalawa, take control of the crowd. Syempre, every part of the program kailangan merong audience participation dyan. You have to instruct your audience or crowd in some ways or in some things that they can engage in. Well, it's not always all the time that ang mga clients lang natin ay nagkakaroon ng participation sa program. Well, everyone is here kaya dapat lahat po tayo ay mag-celebrate with the clients, with the couple, with the birthday celebrator, and that is why event hosts are important to lead or direct the crowd. And of course, the third main reason, you want to make sure that the event is well celebrated and well remembered by all the guests. And kami mga event hosts are being hired not just because we just want to help you in terms of facilitating the program, to lead the crowd, but we're here to entertain. We are here to give all the moments that you need. Okay? And especially kapag gusto mong maging masaya yan, kapag gusto mo talagang makwela, masigla, lahat-lahat na that would really bring out all the happiness, enjoyments, jubilation, and excitement throughout the event. Kaya naman we'd like to bring out all these special moments, all the happy moments. It's because when you look back, kapag manonood kayo ulit ng mga footages, clips, video clips ng inyong mga moments together with your friends and family, you can really say that it's a well-celebrated one. It's one of the most remarkable things in your life that you'd really like to treasure. And lalong-lalo na there is so much to celebrate in life, diba? More applause, cheers, more smiles, more celebrations to come. And that is why it's important for you to have your event host in every occasion din. Whether maliit yan or malaki man, as long as someone that can make your occasion remarkable as ever. And there goes another segment of Hashtag Question and Answer sa patuloy na pagbangon ng events industry. And to those who would like to celebrate their occasions with event hosts, don't forget to visit my website www.ancherkuwa.com or visit my Twitter and Instagram account Ancher_Kuwa or Facebook and YouTube account Ancher Kuwa Event Host. Alright, I'm looking forward for more celebrations, more applause, more cheers for everybody and to the rest of the world. Once again, this is Ancher Kuwa of Applause and Cheers. Ingat-ingat tayong lahat and we'll see you again very soon.